This dress was donated by a YouTube follower saying in quotes, "If mom's dress can make another bride happy and beautiful on a special day, then that will make me happy." And here is a photo of her beautiful mother, Regina. The wedding took place at the Holy Cross Greek Orthodox Church in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And how beautiful is that church? The reception for the November 26th wedding was at the Georgian Room at the Hotel Webster Hall in Pittsburgh, and I love this photo of Nick and Regina cutting the cake. They took a trip, how cute is this photo? They took a trip to New Orleans for their honeymoon and later settled in Columbus, Ohio. Included with the dress was her original headpiece, which has gotten quite misshapen. I will try to bring it back closer to its original shape. And hopefully the pearls will brighten up as well, but you can see a beautiful image of her wearing it there. And that has a Saks Fifth Avenue label in it, which is also where the dress is from. Also included in the box was, I think this is the sweetest ring bearer pillow I have ever seen. I will show more close-ups of it here shortly, but it has trailing ribbons with lilies of the valley on it, which is my favorite flower. And there's a sprinkling of stud set, prong set rhinestones and pearls, and of course the lace on there. I might just do a separate video just on this, the cleaning of this alone. This is going to be kind of involved because I kind of have to take everything apart to clean it and then put it back together. But I just think that is an absolutely sweet ring bearer pillow. And now for the dress. You can see here that it is all lace. And then, of course, there's some satin there. And I think that the satin is silk. So I'm going to have to be cautious when cleaning that. And I'm really hoping it comes out well. But look at it. It's got a full train on the back. And, of course, we have all the covered buttons in the long lace sleeves with the pointed wrists with additional buttons there as well. And how wonderful this will be once I can hopefully restore it back to its former glory. What's going to be a challenge is that cake topper there, I guess, was stored with the dress when it still had some cake on it. So in addition to the kind of usual oxidation that happens in these vintage wedding dresses, you see there the pearls have darkened and the usual kind of beverage stains and underarm discoloration. This dress has a little bit more of challenging aspects to it with the cake remnants causing some staining and the fact that I do believe it is silk. And then lace is also kind of tricky too. But I'm really hoping that the cleaning goes well on this dress, and I also hope that this can have another special day in its future.